So we are getting started with the QlikSense tutorial series for the beginners. In the first session, we will be talking about QlikSense Desktop installation. It's a very simple process. I'll be sharing two files with you. As we can see on the screen, the first file that we have is QlikSense Desktop, and the second one is the QlikSense Unlock file that will help us to access QlikSense Desktop for around 10 weeks. So the first thing that you do is download these two files from the description of this particular video. After you download these two files, first of all you need to extract this first file, that is QlikSense Desktop. After you complete the extraction of QlikSense Desktop, you will see this particular exe file, and all you need to do is double click and execute this particular file. That will initiate the installation. I will click on install. I will accept the agreement, click next, and just select all of these checkboxes and then again click next. Again I accept the license agreement and click install. In the meantime, you can join this Qlik community. This will help you to answer or ask the questions related to QlikSense. So once the installation is completed, you will see the screen. Click the finish button. So once you finish the installation, you will notice that you have got this Qlik Sense Desktop icon. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to extract this unlock file. Once you extract this particular file, just copy this file, go to documents, go to Qlik, go to Sense. Within Sense, create this new folder. I have already created this, but you need to create this new folder with the name trial, TRYAL. Make sure that you spell this folder name correctly, otherwise you will have problem while using the unlock file. So within this particular folder, I will just paste this particular QlikSense Desktop unlock file. Okay, so this is the unlock file that we have. I have pasted in this particular folder. After I do this, I just need to click on this QlikSense Desktop icon, and once I click on this, I'll be able to access the application and we can see the expiry date of the trial that you are using. Okay, so the next thing that I need to do is just click on this launch button, and that will help me get started with QlikSense Desktop. Alternatively, you can also use Qlik Cloud, and for that you need to visit Qlik website and just put your business email ID, and with very few simple steps you will be able to access Qlik Cloud. Thank you so much for watching.